Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys, and today in this video I will talk about Fiverr affiliates with new method about how you can send cold emails to users and how you can get sales about Fiverr affiliates. If you are new, let me tell you one thing that we will go quickly. I will go quickly, but first of all I will show you my earnings from this method which I used recently, so you can see my earnings as well. And I will show you that how you can do this, how you can make money with Fiverr affiliates. I have created a playlist on digital helping YouTube channel. So you will go to the digital helping, you will click over here, view playlist about Fiverr affiliates. You will click over there and you will get amazing methods and things over the playlist. If you are beginner, so please watch playlist first, then you will come to the method, so you will understand completely and you will get sales easily. So first of all I will show you, if you are new, so this is the Fiverr affiliates website, and you will go to the commission plan and you will check over there. You will see Fiverr Pro Gigs will give you the commission $150, industrial and different product design $50, and you will go so on and you will check each and everything on the screen on your website. Okay, and it's very simple. It's very simple to join this Fiverr affiliates network. This is so simple. It's Fiverr, the Fiverr where freelancers give services. They have giving this type of thing to Fiverr affiliate marketers. Means the Fiverr affiliate marketers means they will promote. Actually, I promote Fiverr affiliates freelancers through Fiverr affiliates. Okay, for example, if some freelancer giving services about web designing, SEO, search engine optimization, Google ads, graphic designing, or different things, so I will promote their gigs, their services to users, to companies, to businesses, to individuals, and whenever they buy the service from them, I will get commission, you will get commission. Simple. So what you will do, you will go to the sign up form, first name, last name, email address, username, password, confirm password, account type. Over there you will see account type, you will click over here, and private. If you are company, you can use company. Do you have main traffic source? You will click on the yes, country, English, Skype ID. Skype ID is absolutely free. Within 5 minutes, 3 minutes you can create. So what is the thing over here? Dear guys, actually the thing is, I don't make videos about Fiverr affiliates or any platform until I get results. This video is late because I was testing some methods, so I got results. That's why I'm making this video. Otherwise, whenever I test some method and fails, I don't make video because I don't want to mislead my audience and people. So until I get results, I don't make video. I got results today. I got results, that's why I'm making this video. The method is email marketing type of method. Okay, so if you are beginner, I'm not going to in depth. So what will you do over in the video? You will go to the you will cold emailing according to your niche, according to your gig which you are going to promote. Okay, I will show you each and everything in this video, but you have to watch complete video. Otherwise you will ask in comments or my Instagram messages to tell me that we are not getting sales, but there are huge people, many people getting sales, and they have many success stories I have shared on my community tab. And if you want me to make screenshots to community tab, I can do this. Make sure you have to be hard work, smart work, and if you are dedicated to work for as an affiliate marketer, you have to work for this, you have to learn this. That's why I have shown you the Fiverr affiliates series. You will go to the series like Fiverr affiliate marketing, watch this, and then you will try different method. It is super simple. It's not a big deal. It's not a rocket science. I will go to the method. Let's come. First of all, you will go to the Fiverr platform where people give services. you will click over there, and for example you are going to promote Fiverr web designing services to clients. Okay, so for example we will pick some freelancer from here. So make sure whenever you promote some freelancer, make sure the rating should be high, the reviews should be good. So for example this one is 4.9 reviews and stars. Okay, so you will find first of all the reviews and ratings should be high, level 2 seller, top rated seller. Okay, so for example I'm going to click over this website, this gig. So the person is asking about basic for $125. So we are not going to do as a freelancer job. We will not deal to direct deal with client. So what we will do, okay, so we are going to promote this freelancers to the client, right? So what we are going to do over here, let's suppose I am going to select this one. I will copy their link and then I will paste in my dashboard link marketing to deep links. Okay, and it will convert into the affiliates, right? But come to the method first, then we will move to the different thing. Go to the Google. For example, you are going to target some restaurants in California. Go there, go to the Google, write like this, and then after that you will get this type of results. You will collect a email list first. Okay, so this is the method of cold emailing. Okay, so I'm going to select and then I will copy here, and then I will go to the tool like emailchecker.net. You will use any tool or any online tool. Make sure I am telling you all free methods in this video. Okay, my all videos are based on free methods, so this video is also in a free method type. Okay, so what you will do, you will go to the emailchecker.net and then paste over here. Okay, and then you will click over here, extract email, click over there, so you will get email list. Okay, so what you are going to do is just email them. Don't worry, I'm going to share with you a template as well in this video. Guys, here's a template called email template for web designers. So after that you can read over here, you can take a screenshot, you can recheck the video again and again. No worry, no problem. You have to be little creative. So you can change the text here and there. Simple thing and very easy, very easy according to your niche. If you are promoting web designing services, you can use this template. You can use different text over here. You can add different things according to your requirement. If you found something mistakes in this template, you can change it. If you found something missing in this template, you can fill it. So that will be a good opportunity for you to be a creative and best in Fiverr affiliates or any affiliate marketing. So here you can see you have to find something, and you will go to the cold emailing and you will get results definitely 100%. You have to understand this method, and I have already created a playlist about Fiverr affiliates where I have discussed all method how you can promote your landing pages, because here in this video I am not talking about landing pages. You can use direct links. So what will you do? Okay, the method is, whenever you go to we have selected some gig. Okay, so I'm going to copy here from here, and then I'm going to go to my Fiverr affiliate dashboard. Then I will go to the LP URL. I will click over here, paste over here, check, uncheck. Check means a longer URL and the uncheck means shorter URL. Click over here, that it will be copied. Simple, that's it. And you will paste in your template, and whenever the services, whenever the website owner, company, or different things will click over there, they will redirect to that specific gig, and whenever they buy the service, so you will get commission. For example, we have copied the affiliate link. Whenever the person will So you will buy commission whenever some person will get services from that specific gig which you are going to promote. You can use different method, different gigs. You can use different things like SEO, web designing, web development, social media marketing or digital marketing, and different things you can use in this template. And you can rewrite the template and you can do cold emailing and you will get results. I have shown each and everything in my playlist. I have shown you about email marketing in this video in the very simple way. Hope this video will become a very helpful for you. If you want me to make more videos about how to make money online on affiliate marketing or digital marketing, you can comment me and ask me if I miss anything. Thank you very much. Take care.